Many people don't realize that the exercises you choose to do after an ankle sprain can significantly impact your recovery. I'm going to show you an incredibly effective ankle sprain rehabilitation program. It will not only alleviate pain, but also enhance your range of motion and mobility. Its primary goal is to restore confidence in your injured ankle and minimize the risk of future injuries. Hey everyone, Dr. Jeff Peng here. There is considerable research that shows early and consistent rehabilitation following a sprained ankle can accelerate recovery. In addition, starting gentle exercises early in the first few days after a sprain can lead to a faster reduction in swelling and pain. For best results, commit to these exercises daily for 4 to 6 weeks. The first exercise is ankle range of motion, which is designed to help restore mobility. Sit down and extend your legs out in front of you. Focus on moving your ankle all the way up and then all the way down. Then go as far inward and then as far outward as you can. You can also rotate your ankle in circles. Working on range of motion will help improve circulation and prepare your ankle for the following exercises. Do this for 30 seconds and repeat the exercise for a total of 3 times. The next exercise is a calf stretch. After an ankle sprain, the calf muscles can become really tense, which then contributes to limited mobility. A calf stretch will help alleviate that tension. Start by facing a wall and then step your unaffected foot forward. Keep your back leg straight. Lean towards the wall until you feel a stretch in the calf. Hold for 30 seconds and perform this stretch for a total of 3 times. For the next few exercises, I highly recommend using a resistance band, though you can still do them and they can still be effective if you don't have one. When using a band, adjust the tension to match your comfort level. The goal is to be able to do 15 repetitions in a way that is challenging but manageable. So the first band exercise is ankle dorsiflexion. This helps strengthen the tibialis anterior and improves ankle stability. Loop a light or medium resistance band around your forefoot. Secure the other end of the band to a stable object. Gently pull your foot towards you. You should feel the muscles in your shin working against the band's resistance. Briefly hold the dorsiflexed position, then slowly return to the starting point. Perform 2 sets of 15 repetitions. Now we're going to work on the opposite motion, which is ankle plantarflexion. This is going to strengthen the calf muscles while also aiding in overall ankle stability. Loop the resistance band around your forefoot and hold the ends of the band with your hands. Slowly push your toes forward, pointing them away from your body. Once your toes are fully pointed, hold the position briefly, then gently return to the starting position. Perform 2 sets of 15 repetitions. The next exercise is ankle inversion, which will help strengthen the tibialis posterior muscle, which controls the inward motion of the ankle. Sit with your legs out in front of you and then cross the unaffected leg over the injured one. Loop the resistance band around the forefoot of both feet and hold on to the band with your hands. Slowly turn the injured foot inwards against the band. Hold the position briefly at the point of maximum inversion, then gently return to the starting position. Perform this exercise for 2 sets of 15 repetitions. Next is ankle eversion, which helps strengthen the peroneal muscles that controls the outward motion of the ankle. Again, sit with both legs out in front of you. Loop the resistance band around the injured foot and then wrap it around the outer part of your other foot. Hold on to the resistance band with your hands. Gradually turn your injured foot outwards to stretch the band. Hold the position briefly at the point of maximum eversion, then slowly return to the starting position. Do this for 2 sets of 15 repetitions. The last 3 exercises should be added once you can stand on your injured ankle with minimal pain. One of the reasons why 40% of ankle sprains go on to have persistent pain, swelling, and instability is because proprioceptive nerve fibers get damaged after an ankle sprain. These specialized nerves provide information to the body about where it is in space. Damage to these fibers affects balance and coordination, which increases the likelihood of re-injury or persistent symptoms. The first exercise is the heel raise, which will further strengthen the calf muscles and improve ankle stability. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly raise your body onto your toes, holding briefly at the top, then lower back down smoothly. As you gain strength, increase the challenge by performing the heel raise on a small platform or step, allowing your heel to drop below your foot level. Perform 2 sets of 15 repetitions. You can even progress to a single leg heel raise or holding weights to add resistance. The next exercise is the step up. This exercise helps strengthen the lower extremity muscles, improves balance and stability, and addresses strength imbalances between the 2 legs. Stand in front of a sturdy platform. Step up onto the platform with your injured foot first, and then follow with the other leg. Step back down again with the injured foot first. Perform 2 sets of 15 repetitions. To further challenge yourself, increase the step height or perform the exercises while holding weights. The last exercise is a balance and reach movement that will focus on improving ankle stability, balance, and proprioception. Visualize standing in the center of a letter Y with 1 point in front and 2 points behind you. Stand and balance yourself on your injured leg. Use your uninjured foot to gently tap each point of the Y while trying to maintain balance throughout the movement. Return to the starting position after tapping each point. Do this for 30 seconds and repeat a total of 3 times. Keep in mind that the primary goals of an ankle rehabilitation program are to restore range of motion, to improve strength, and to enhance proprioception and balance. By following this program, you'll not only accelerate your recovery, but also restore full functionality to your ankle and reduce the risk of future sprains. I recommend committing to this program daily for 4 to 6 weeks. If you have recurrent ankle sprains or suffer from ankle instability, you may also want to incorporate this program into your regular exercise routine as part of a long-term maintenance treatment plan. Lastly, for more educational resources on rehabilitating various orthopedic conditions, I invite you to explore my other content. Here you'll find comprehensive information and guidance to learn about and recover from a wide range of orthopedic issues.